Hello friends. On 12th of June, that is day after tomorrow, is Fatty Liver Day, which is dedicated to creating awareness about fatty liver. Now, what are the reasons behind this kind of medical problem? Is it because of a drastic change in our lifestyle or some significant alteration in our food habits? There are multiple reasons, and today we are going to discuss upon this topic, and my students will throw light upon the reasons and the preventions that we could observe in order to prevent this heinous disease, which can even lead to liver cancer, God forbid. Let's get to my students.
Hello everyone, thanks to BSL. I just want to talk with you about fatty liver. Fatty liver is a basic and common and crucial problem in India. And if I talk about why is it facing everyone, so I just want to say that in excess fried food, when we use excess way fried food and excess alcoholic, due to this reason we can be find fatty liver. So fatty liver is a basic and crucial problem in everywhere. So nowadays you can see that in a kids you can find this problem also. So you have to just take care of your heart and you take care of your body whenever you try to eat in healthy way, so you can become healthier. So I just want to say that if you want to eat fried food and if you want to eat fruit and juice, you can eat all things in limited way. So you have to avoid alcohol in excess volume when you consume the all alcohol. So you will find that your liver can be fatty. Due to fatty liver, you can face many issues like diabetes and obesity and many other issues. If you take care of your body and you will try to eat healthy food in limited way, so that is very okay. And nowadays everyone can face this issue, because nowadays food is not healthy in outside. So whenever we try to eat something, so no, it's a very exhausting life for everyone, and no one have time to prepare their lunch and dinner and breakfast. So some people eat outside, some people eat the food outside, and they will get the issue like obesity and BP, hypertensions, and many other issues we can be faced due to this problem. That's it.
Thank you.
Hello everyone, thanks to Basil for giving me opportunity in front of you. Fatty liver, also known as hepatic steatosis, is a condition where excessive fat accumulates within the liver cells. While some fat is normal in the liver, and a healthy amount can lead to various problems. This condition can range from mild and reversible to severe and causes irreversible damage, even liver failure, and that's it.